To adjust the Phantom wallet and create a wallet, start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the download link to install the Phantom wallet extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create Wallet. Next, you will be asked to create a password for your wallet. This password will be used to encrypt your wallet and protect your assets. Choose a strong and unique password and make sure to store it in a safe place. After creating your password, you will be given a recovery phrase. This phrase is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to store the recovery phrase in a safe and secure place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. Now that you have created your wallet, you can start using it to send and receive cryptocurrencies. To do this, click on the Send or Receive button and enter the recipient's wallet address. You can also use the Phantom wallet to interact with decentralized applications and participate in the Solana ecosystem. It is essential to keep your Phantom wallet and recovery phrase safe and secure to avoid losing access to your assets. Always use a strong and unique password, and store your recovery phrase in a safe place. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily adjust the Phantom wallet and create a wallet to start using cryptocurrencies and interacting with the Solana ecosystem.